I want to share with you today a couple of really cool things that have really improved my videos. This tripod, and what I usually use these for, I connect these lights to this, and the nice thing is you can spin this down here and mount these really easily without twisting the light itself around, right? You can turn the light on. You can set the brightness of the light back here, all kinds of effects. You can change the color temperature of this. There's an app on your phone. You can control the color temperature on this too. And these tripods are really neat. You can extend these, and I'm gonna put this on the ground so you can see how tall this thing gets. But it goes up there really high. I think it gets to, what is that? It's 7 feet tall, somewhere in that range. And then you can adjust the angle of your light, and you can turn the light in different directions. So you can really get whatever you want with these tripods. Put them off for your key lighting or your rim lighting and all that kind of stuff. So that's how I've got the much better look on my maker matchup videos. If you haven't checked those out, hit the link right here. But these are super handy. I've got a few of these, and I can space my lights around in different places and get exactly the look I want and be real particular, real strategic about my lighting. So all I use is these for lighting. The brand on this is Neewer, so I guess that's Neewer, and these are really handy. Got magnets in them so you can put them on anything that is metal. You can also mount them on tripods like this, or just set them somewhere. I set a couple of them on a shelf that's over there behind the camera. This is the table that Jimmy and I sit at in our maker matchup. The workshop looks a little bit different because I use green screens behind us. If you didn't know that, sorry to spoil the illusion of that, but I do use green screens. It's pretty cool. I'll do a video on that sometime and show you how that works too. But I've got 8 of these Neewer lights, and I've got them labeled. I'll come over there and show you here. Hopefully you can see that. And I got it labeled just with a piece of masking tape, and I drew on there with a Sharpie as to where all of these lights go, because I don't want to write down what the power is and the color temperature. And the color temperature is always at 5200K for everything that I have. It's all even, so there's no difference there, but the power is different for each light and each placement. I've tuned that the way that I like it, so I have got the location on here so I know exactly where to put them. So that's pretty cool. So this is 2 pieces of gear that I am super glad that I got. The last one that has been so good, so worth the money, is this DJI Mic Mini. And there's 2 lapel mics in here. And there's a magnet on these, so I can put the magnet right here on my shirt. And I can put the lapel mic on right there, and I'm good to go. And I take this part, and I put the little thing here, and it will mount right to my phone, which is right there, that's doing the recording right now. And I can plug this in to the butt end of my phone there, and it will pair with this lapel mic, and I'll get a lot better sound than I do right now. So if you've seen any of my other recent videos, the maker matchups, plug for that again, go watch that one, and you'll see the difference in the audio that I have here and the audio there. But this has been super good, super easy to use. I like things that don't cause me to have to jump through hoops or remember a lot of things when I start recording, and this has become just a real easy part of getting better sound. So check that out. DJI Mic Mini comes in this little charging case. I plug the USB-C up to the case right here, and it charges everything in here. Every part of it charges when you are charging this, so that's real handy too. Couldn't couldn't make the kind of videos that I make right now without these 3 pieces of equipment. So wanted to share that with you. Hopefully that helps. See you on the next video.